everyone, welcome back to Healthy Human Fitness and our New Year, New You challenge. Hopefully you have your bands by now. We're gonna go ahead and get started. I've got my band right above my knees, onto my thighs. We're just gonna press down, abs are tight, shoulders back. Come on down, keep those knees out, don't let them cave in or drop forward. Press, if you can't keep your chest up and your knees back, maybe just heighten your squat a little bit. Otherwise you press down, 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 down. And we're just gonna pulse for 100. Here we go. Keeping it nice and tight. Put it right into those glutes. And we pulse. Toes are off the ground. You don't wanna put pressure forward into your toes. We bring it back into our heels and press. Here we are, press, press, press. And burn it out for just 100, and that's it! 100, you guys, that's all. And we press. It's our 100's challenge today. And this one's just little squat pulses. I'm gonna come to the side. You can see me in this direction. My knees are going forward. They're not caving in. I keep them out wide, keep that pressure on there. And keep my chest up, and I pulse. And pulse. For just 100. And that is all. We're already halfway there. Keep it going. Come on, you guys. Woo-hoo. It's a little bit of a burner. You can always do one of my warm-up videos. And press it out. Press it out. Before you do these, you can do a warm-up video. Check out our warm-up playlist. You can use a lighter band. We have different resistance bands. If you don't have these, check out the description below. There's a link to the bands. Ow, I gotta stretch up. Whew. I think we're almost there though, so let's just hold it out and pulse. Almost there. Come on, hang in there, almost there, and finished. All right, good job. I better see you tomorrow at tomorrow's challenge. I'm burned out, so until tomorrow, we'll see you